Hi, I'm Tom Riccobono from the Interlochen Arts Academy, and today I'll be talking about how to work on a Bordoni exercise. One of the things I like to do first is to work on the rhythm and work on the intonation, and then work on the intervals. At the same time, I'm trying to make these as musical as possible in the bel canto style, so I want to glue the notes together, make them as legato as possible. I'll be playing Bordoni number 6, which has a lot of cross rhythms and juxtaposition of the duple and the triple. So I'll start with a metronome on 70, on 16th notes, and I'll put the drone on just to make sure that I'm going to stay on pitch on the key note, which is E flat. In the third measure, it switches to triplets, so I'm going to put the metronome on triplets. Later on in the exercise, there's a series of triplets that have ties, and these are particularly hard to play precisely. So I'll put the subdivisions on the metronome and practice these just by themselves. Once I'm ready to work on the exercise as a whole, I'll often play with the metronome and the drones going. Almost all of the Bordonis are featured in what's called an ABA form. That means the melody in the beginning comes back at the end, and there's often a key change in the middle where you want to change character and color somewhat. So here's Bordoni number 6 with the metronome and with the E flat drone. I hope that helps you in your study of the Bordoni exercises. Thank you very much for watching.